What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a streetcar takeover bowling green coming up this weekend, so I'm gonna get the car prepped and ready to go. Kayla was the last one to make a pass in, so it's turned down pretty far. I'm gonna turn the car back up, do a few things to it and get it ready. So I'm gonna walk you through with what I'm gonna do. I've still got the street tires on it where I went to Paducah last. Drove it round trip 160 miles. Made a 592 at 120 mile an hour pass. So the car running good. I had to replace the alternator on it. It went bad on me the other day, so it's lifetime warranty, so I got it replaced. Ain't no big deal on that. But I've already changed the transmission fluid. I've already checked the oil, everything's good. I've checked the bolts underneath, drive shaft bolts, cross member bolts, motor mount bolts, checked anything that could possibly be loose. So that part's done. Alright guys, I got the laptop turned on and opened up. Got my tuner studio open. I'm running MS3 on this car. The boost control is pretty simple on this thing. I'm still running off, I ain't got CO2 or anything, I'm still just running off manifold pressure. I got one buddy that's converted over to CO2 and he's running that now, but I'm still doing it this way. Mine runs off a duty cycle, you can see there. But it was turned all the way to zero. This was Kayla run it last, and usually I play with this a lot, so I know if I put 19% on the duty cycle, I know that's about 24 pounds of boost. And then I like to also, down here in these areas where I'm not really going to be building much boost, under 50% throttle and below 2,000 RPMs, I like to just run that at 100 on the duty cycle, so the boost controller is really not, it's just staying closed, it's not working hard or nothing. That way I'll take a chance of wearing it out faster, but I always fluctuate trying to maintain the pressure when I don't need it to. But that's pretty much all I do, is just change my numbers in right there. Got 100 all the way around here. And then right here where it really matters, 100% throttle, between 60 and 100% throttle, between 2 and 7,000 RPMs. 19%, which, like I said, is about 24 pounds of boost, is where it should stay at. I'll hit burn. That is done. So we are set back, turned back up to where it used to be. We should be ready to go there. What I also like about this too, I got a content sensor. Shows my ethanol percentage. I got 87.9% ethanol in the car right now, which is nice to always know too. That way I can adjust the timing and stuff as need be for the content. But all the stuff on the computer is ready to go. I still had to change up my tires. Me, Sergio, and Andrew are going up Saturday morning. We're not racing Friday. It's just going to be a Saturday race for us. Hopefully Sergio has his car done, and I know Andrew's ready. He got his car tires swapped over and ready the other day, so we should be good to go for this weekend. I'm going to load up Friday afternoon, but I'm going to get to changing these tires out now. Instagram logo on it, so you want to check that out. Alright guys, we should be ready for streetcar takeover. I'm going to film probably all day, get some good racing down, see who all's up there, see what kind of action we can get into. I feel like the car is going to do good. I swapped to my old converter the other day. I plan on, when I get, from now on, I plan on like doing more how-to videos. I build transmissions and all kinds of things. I swapped the converter the other night. It wasn't that big of a deal, but got that done. So if everything works right, I hope we'll go 8s in the quarter. We'll see how it does. Like I was saying, this is a Turbo 400 for a guy I know. I'm waiting on parts for it where I can build it for him. It's going in another LS swapped. I think it's 03 Mustang GT that I'm working on also. We got that. And here's his motor. It's going in that car. And I got a new set of Hoosiers over here to try out next time. A couple other converters. Another 5.3. It's got another good motor laying there. But I'm going to do more how-to videos when I get parts for the transmission and other little things I do to the car. Well, I'll try to get a video posted probably Sunday from the racing Saturday if everything goes right. But I will keep y'all updated, let y'all know how the car does. It should be a pretty decent video. If you want to see more of the car run, if you know buddies' cars, go ahead and like and subscribe to the page and check out the other videos. Alright, see you next time.